Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your bank account with Splitwise. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Now from this page here, scroll down and then click on Connected Accounts under Preferences. Next, click on Add a Funding Source, and then towards the bottom, you can either connect your bank account or debit card. Go ahead and click on Bank Account. Now once you've done so, it's going to redirect you to the software called Plaid. Plaid is what Splitwise uses in order to connect your bank account. Click on Continue, and then from here, go ahead and click on Instant or Manual. So with it, you could actually click on Instant, click on Continue, and then from this page here, it'll allow you to connect your bank account. So simply just log into your bank account and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank account to Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.